So we have a Baseus product. This is the Baseus Gan3Pro Desktop Powerstrip, and it has two USB Type-C ports and two USB Type-A ports. This is a new product for 2021, I believe. It is based off their 65-watt Gan charger series, as it's the third generation. And from what I understand, this charger design is probably not that different. It's probably got some updated specs, but it's a popular form factor, and this one is a little bit different from the others in that it has it's basically just an extension cord power strip with a charger block in it. So you can see the design intention behind it. So you have the charger plugged into the wall, and then you can plug in a monitor or anything else really off the charger brick itself and still power your USB devices. So I'll read out some of the wattage specs here. Rated voltage 250 volts, input AC 100 to 240 volts, so that should be good for most of the world. So you have a couple of different charging configurations there. You can use one USB Type-C port at the full 65 watts. 60 watts, I think. 60 watts plus 5 volts if you use one of the USB outputs. I'll post the product page below and you can go and see the full specifications there. You've got the Baseus quality control sticker as expected. And yeah, let's open it. Probably not much to it, I think. So empty box there, put that to the side. Warranty card. Instruction book, which is in English as well. Okay, so you have some more detailed charging specs there. The stickers, which are in most Baseus products. Flip it over. You have a Type-C to C USB-C cable. This one is most likely going to be, it's rated for 100 watts, so that's nice. More than what this charger can output. And here we have the charger itself. Take off all the packaging. So that is how it looks. There's the outputs. Type C1, C2, USB 1, USB 2. I believe this one is just a slow charging 5-watt charger for low power devices. These are the more high power ports. You have a LED light at the top. Then you have the extension cord, so you can plug in something else, so it doesn't take away a power point. And then you have the cable. This is the Chinese style plug, as it plugs in like that, but as I am in Australia, I can just flip it around 180 degrees and that works fine. No issues with voltage or anything like that. And yeah, pretty thick cable, nice and sturdy. That's the other side. It would be nice if this was a detachable cable, but that's fine. And yeah, that's going to be it, I think, for this review. I'll plug it in and start using it. So yeah, that's it for this review of the Baseus Gan3Pro Desktop Powerstrip Charger. Thanks for watching.